Hello and welcome back to Wireman's Whimsy. This is a total throwback Thursday, as I am using lots of elements from the Notes from the Heart December 2024 kit, including the greeting banner and the stamp. And I've heat embossed in gold the stamp, and I've also heat embossed in gold the flower stamp from the current kit onto those little die cuts. And I have got the metallic textures rub-ons that if they're still on the last chance list or they're retired, so I thought I'd use them here. I've got one of the card bases, and I haven't cut it down or anything. I'm using it as is. I have cut the bicycle off the basket again, or the basket off the bicycle, and I'll be using that. So what I need to do is I just need to go ahead and I need to add my rub-ons. So I'm going to do that. I've trimmed them down so they fit. So I'm just going to peel that off. And this one will go along the bottom here, like this. And I'm just going to give it a push. And then I'll use my bone folder and I'll rub it down. Okay, and I'm just going to lift that up. So there we go, there's one. And I'm going to do one at the top as well. So let's just remove the back. And we will pop this down. Like that. They are slightly sticky. They're not adhesive, they're just a little sticky. So I'm just going to use my bone folder to give that a push. And yes, my bone folder needs to be cleaned. It's got lots of adhesive on it for where I've removed pieces from card fronts because I made a mistake. So we're just going to lift that up. There we go. So we've got that gold trim there. And I'm going to use these ones, and I'm just going to pick this up. This is going to sit about here. So this one's going to go kind of here like this. So I'm just going to give that a little bit of a push. And then this one's going to kind of go like that, okay? All right, so we're just going to do the same thing, bone folder, and like I say, these are, last time I looked, they were on the last chance list, so they may be discontinued now based on availability. But I had a lot of fun using these textured metallic rub-ons, making cards with them, just doing all kinds of things with them. Takes me back to when I first started scrapbooking and everything was rub-ons. The letters, everything was rub-ons. Okay, come on then. Okay, and we're going to lift that up. And then we'll lift this one. There we go. Okay, and so now I need to put this down. I'm going to flat mount this because I'm dimensionalizing a lot of other elements on the card. So I'm going to pop this down. I'm going to lift it up just a little bit like that because the greeting is dimensionalized and it's going to go across the bottom because there are still little bits of the bicycle you can see. So I am just going to pop this down right here like this. And then I'm going to add these the flowers here. And this would be great if it was, I can't remember what gold is. Is it 60 is gold? So if somebody's got a 60th birthday, you could do this with happy anniversary. Now I just need to remember which way around this one goes. And we're going to do it like that. Okay, so that's the card so far. I've got the adhesive backed metallic gems. And I am going to use the gold ones And I'm going to put a gold one in the middle of each of these flowers. Now these are relatively flat, so I'm not too worried about them being on top of a dimensional as far as mailing a card goes. So I'm just going to pop that down like that. And I like how they echo the dots here as well. And so then I'm going to put one up here like this, and then I'm going to choose one of the larger ones and pop it down in the corner like that. And I need to decide if I'm going to do that on the other side as well. And it does look a little bit empty, so I'm going to do large and then small over here as well, just for a little bit of difference. And those kind of echo the circles with the metallic rub-ons. So that is our Throwback Thursday alternate card. We've got one more coming up on Friday, and then the review on Saturday. So thank you so much for watching, and let's create together again soon.